See, it's a huge victory for India's diplomatic effort. I think a lot of effort had taken place on the diplomatic front in the DC, and that has paid off. U.S. designating as a foreign terrorist organization and especially designated global terrorist outfit is a slap on the face of Pakistan, which has been actually trying to portray that it is a local resistance front constituted of Kashmiri boys, which is not true. It is all more than 90% of the TRF is composed of Pakistani terrorists and foreign terrorists. So aptly it has been designated as, basically it is a front of the Lashkar-e-Toiba, just a name change, because Pakistan wants to mislead the world. And I think with China's help they were blocking it, and US has done it. I think our next effort should be to have it designated by the United Nations, and I think huge diplomatic victory for India. Hats off to Dr. S. Jaishankar and his team.
TRF will be dispensed with because TRF will change its name, it changes location. Perhaps the leader may go, leader may get shot, it may be replaced by 10 other leaders. But the TRF is a radical thought process of Islam, radical Islam. It is a radical thought process of a radical Islam which will never be erased, because Pakistan's ruling party, a ruling group, army, is based, is their work, their existence is based on the strength of the terrorism, which creates their input, they create their entry into Kashmir, which keeps the Kashmir movement alive as far as which favors Pakistan, what they say, their narrative alive, and Pakistan army remains in power, which they have to, because they are controlling 85% of the Pakistan's commerce. So this is what the whole equation is. We should not think that suddenly America has had a change of mind and they suddenly become very holy and they want to dispense with terrorism. Forget it. America will see where its interest lies, and if I was America, I will do the same thing.
What USA should be doing is designating Pakistan as a terrorist state, which is using state-sponsored terrorism as a state policy. This USA will not do, because USA is hand in glove with Pakistan. Ever since Russia invaded Afghanistan, the CIA used the ISI to create the Taliban and then all these militant organizations. And now, again, they are using Pakistan to get bases so that they could monitor Iran and other places. So till such time Pakistan is not designated as a state which is using state-sponsored terrorism as its policy, these terrorist organizations will keep mushrooming, keep changing their names and carrying on.